The 2025 Southeast Asian Gong Festival was held last night in Lam Dong province, bringing together 500 artisans from Vietnam and abroad. The event marked 20 years since UNESCO recognized the Central Highlands Gong culture as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The festival opened with the sacred Yang worship ritual, which prays for peace and good harvest, followed by the powerful drum of the village performance, signaling a start of celebrations for the community and the land, blending diverse and colorful performances from across the region. The festival created a lively cultural event that honored heritage while showcasing Vietnam's desire to connect and stand out regionally and globally.
And in Southeast Asia, gongs serve as more than music. They represent spiritual voices and connect the past with the present. And the 2025 Southeast Asia Gong Harmony Night in Lam Dong brought these sounds beyond borders, uniting the region in cultural harmony and solidarity.
Each country brought its own unique character, despite language differences. When the sound of bronze gongs resonated, all barriers seemed to fade away.
We should work together to preserve, protect, and further promote Vietnam's traditional culture and also introduce and spread it to other countries in the region.
The previous generation taught me, and now I pass it on to the younger generation so that Gong culture will not fade away.
The 2025 Southeast Asian Gong Harmony Night celebrated heritage while serving as a meeting point for creativity, community connection, and the aspiration to share Vietnamese culture more widely across the region and beyond.
This large-scale national and international event took months of preparation, with careful study and harmonization of gong sound from across regions, while preserving their original cultural values.
We aim to spread the value of Gong heritage, especially among young people, and bring Gong culture from villages to the wider world, so international friends can know Lam Dong, Vietnam, and the Central Highlands heritage. Most importantly, we want to turn this heritage into a tourism product.
The final gong has faded, but its echo will endure. The 2025 Southeast Asia Gong Harmony Festival was not just a performance. It's a strong affirmation of ASEAN unity, a long journey of heritage, humanity, and borderless connection.
The gong music leaves behind more than just sound. It represents a shared commitment to safeguarding heritage, strengthening region bonds, and passing cultural values on to young people, ensuring the echoes of Southeast Asian Gong culture continue to resonate long into the future.